Hey, this is Emily at Inflatable Kayaks, and this here is the AirFusion Skeg. The AirFusion range of kayaks have never come with any kind of fin on them. They track really nicely, but they wanted to give you the ability to really cut straight through, especially in wind. So the kayaks, the whole AirFusion range already come with the mount on the back, and this just slots in. It's really easy. They've given you a key ring to secure it. I mean, the way it slots in, it's snug and it's secure. It's really just on the off chance that you capsize. We don't want it falling out and ending up at the bottom of the ocean. And then because it's quite deep, so the water line is about here on the AirFusion line, so you've got a lot below the water there. Because it's quite deep, they've given you these pull lines, and I'll show you how these work here. So you can flip with one of the lines. If you pull it, you can flip the whole skeg up and over, and that allows you to go out in shallow water or to be just getting ready and getting out on the water. And then you pull the other line and it drops it back into the water. You can see how deep it is here. So really simple, but very, very effective at enhancing the performance and the tracking of the AirFusion line. What it can also be used for is the AdvancedFrame Expedition Elite kayak, and the reason is the Expedition Elite comes with the rudder mount already on it. Couple of things to note here. If you've got another version of an AdvancedFrame kayak with a rudder mount on it, you can absolutely use it for that. But we don't have rudder mounts to sell. It's not something Advanced Elements makes as an accessory. So if you don't have it, there's not much I can do. You want to make sure your rudder mount is really on tight. If you're seeing any kind of gapping there, it's worth gluing it on, because this is going to put a bit of tension on that rudder mount. Same process, you slot it in, you use your little key ring to secure it, but whereas the line sits above the deck of the AirFusion EVO and AirFusion line, you can see there's a bit of a gap here, so these lines will rub on this edge here. So what we suggest is you use a little block, this was actually made from just a kitchen cutting board, and bump it up slightly higher in the kayak, and that'll just give you some freedom of movement with those lines. But yeah, fantastic piece of kit, this little skeg. If you have any questions about it, how to use it, whether it's compatible, please get in touch. This is Emily at Inflatable Kayaks.